Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board. You want to solve this system of linear equations with three variables. I solved for x, and you'd very similarly solve for y. So when you're solving for x, it's going to be the quotient of two 3 by 3 determinants. How you determine the numbers, 1, 2, 3, is you just copy down the coefficients of x, y, and z, and you're missing this one, and so it's 0. Now, since we're solving for x in this first column, in the x column you put the constants 5, 5, and 2, and the other two columns matches denominator. That's how you set this up. If you're solving for y, you'd put the constants in the middle column, and z, you'd put the constants in the third column. Now, there are different ways to evaluate these determinants. I did show you a way. I did copy a video a couple times about an alternative path to what I'm showing here on to evaluating 3 by 3 determinants. One way to do these, I always just copy the top row, the 1, the -4, -3, and you got to change the sign of the middle one so it becomes plus. Yeah, 4, -4, 5, -4, -3. I copy those down, change the sign of the middle one. Okay, then you take the 1 is in the first column and first row, and you're left with these four numbers. They go here. -4 is still in top row, but middle column you're left with 2, 3, and -5, 0. And finally, this -3 is in the right column, and you're left with these four numbers, and they go here. Similarly for the top. Then you just evaluate these determinants. So I'll start with the bottom. You have 1, then it's this diagonal minus this diagonal. So that'd be 0 minus 5. Then I take the 4 here, be 0 plus 15. It'll be 0 minus a -15, which two negatives be a plus. It'd be a -3, it'd be -2 minus a -15, so that'll come out to a plus 15. Similarly, I do the top. Now I just do the arithmetic. Comes out 0 over 16, and that's 0. I hope this helps.